So I'm in the middle of building a basement mini ramp, and the question was posed, will 1.5 EMT conduit work as coping? Let's find out. So here's the outside measurement of this EMT coping. This stuff's pretty cheap, so you kind of get what you pay for. Here's the inside measurements. I'll let you guys read the calipers. Depending upon where you're at is going to be the measurement you're going to care about, whether it's inches, millimeters, whatever. And I'll go ahead and show you the thickness, internal thickness there. So there you go. So to recap, this is going on a basement mini ramp that I'm going to be the only one using. I weigh in at about 195 pounds, so I don't expect it to get any extreme use. But let's go ahead and see what happens when we start smacking it with the skateboard. You can see, got a little divot there, that smack. Nothing too bad. Again, that's a pretty full force swing there. Let's do that again, just for good measure. There we go. Got that right next to the first one. So you can see that if this EMT coping takes a hard impact, that yes, it will dent. But I wouldn't expect that I would be able to do that in the environment that this is set up. Even with the dents, the minor dents that I have, it still seems as though it would grind pretty well. No problems there. Kind of smack it down here a couple times. That left no mark whatsoever. Do that again there. No marks. So I got to get a full swing to get it to divot like that. I just don't see that happening, again, in a basement where I've got an 8-foot ceiling, so I'm not going to be getting all high up in the air and stuff like that. Again, no marks whatsoever. So granted, now if I had my choice, I would use way more expensive piping for the coping on this. But this is just a basement mini ramp project, man. I'm not trying to spend a ton of money on it. I think this will work, considering that you can get lengths of this EMT coping, for about 20 bucks. I think 8 feet. I think 8 feet of this stuff goes for about 20 bucks, something like that. And again, even with the minor divots that we got in this thing, the truck slide perfectly fine. So I don't think this is going to be a problem. So all that being said, I'd recommend it for an indoor ramp, maybe a garage ramp, but I certainly would not recommend it for anything outside where lots of people are going to be doing lots of different tricks on it. It simply won't hold up over time. Hey, thanks for watching, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.